Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials. Battery above 20% and the SIM is properly seated, because low power or a loose SIM often blocks emergency dialing. Next, reboot into safe mode to check whether a third-party app interferes. If calls still fail, boot to recovery and note error messages. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. This lets you run Logcat and read radio errors. These steps reveal whether the problem is hardware, carrier, or software, so you act on facts, not guesses. You now focus on the radio stack and network settings because emergency calls depend on the modem. Pull a Logcat while attempting an emergency call. Scan for RIL or telephony exceptions that show registration or IMS failures. Then verify APN and preferred network mode. Switch between LTE, WCDMA, and GSM to test fallback. If the modem firmware or baseband looks corrupted, re-flash the modem image or apply carrier OTA provisioning. Make sure to back up EFS/NV before flashing. You finish by exhausting safe software fixes, then perform a factory reset only when necessary, because this clears app and permission issues that can block emergency dialers. After reset, test emergency calls prior to restoring apps. If problems persist, insert a different SIM or place your SIM into a known working handset to determine if the fault is the device or the carrier. If still unresolved, collect Logcat and modem logs and contact your carrier or an authorized repair center. Having those logs speeds troubleshooting and repair.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.